If you're looking for a direct replacement part for your 2009 Jeep Wrangler, this product is the ideal solution. Manufactured with precision and reliability, this part is designed to meet the needs of your vehicle, ensuring smooth operation and a perfect fit. Whether you're replacing a worn-out component or performing a routine maintenance task, this part is built to last and provide exceptional performance. The product is manufactured in China, adhering to strict quality standards to ensure top-tier reliability. The package dimensions are compact, with a height of 2.06 inches, a length of 4.77 inches, and a width of 3.03 inches, making it easy to store and handle. With these measurements, you can be confident that this part is specifically designed for the required function, ensuring that it fits seamlessly into your vehicle's system. Installing this part is straightforward for those with some mechanical experience. A customer review shared their positive experience, stating that this part was a direct match for their 2009 Jeep Wrangler. Although the removal of the old part took some effort, particularly when dealing with a tight space, they found that having the engine warmed up made the process a bit easier. Using a pair of pliers to wiggle and pull out the old component, they were able to complete the job in about 10 minutes. Once the old part was removed, the new part fit right in, with just a 5/8 inch deep socket and a tap from a hammer to secure it in place. The simplicity and ease of installation make it a great choice for DIY mechanics. This product has garnered positive reviews for its quality, ease of installation, and perfect fit. It's designed to be a reliable replacement part for your 2009 Jeep Wrangler, ensuring that your vehicle performs at its best. Don't miss out on this essential component that helps keep your Jeep running smoothly and efficiently. Click the link in the description to buy this product today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great automotive products and tips.